So I'm doing problem number 1, and as you can see, I'm zooming in. And first, I think what I did was I balanced my equation. I definitely balanced my equation. And I did CL, C, and H. And you can see me indicating that I broke C and H up because you can't balance them when you have C and H together. Then you will look at the numbers on the side with it, which is 2, 2, 2, and you'll put that on the left side of the balanced equation. Then for the next one, you will look at after the arrow, which it's all together, but you still break it up, which would be 2, 2, and 4. And you'll put that on the right side. And you see that CL is 4. So what you would have to do now is you would have to balance it on the opposite side to get it both balanced. Which in this case is really easy because all you actually have to do is put 2, since 2 times 2 is 4. And you'll see me doing that right now. I didn't mean to erase. I'm showing you. The video is going a little bit slower, which those 2 equals 4. So now our equation is balanced because that's 4 and 4. And then the rest would just be 1 and 1 since they're already balanced. Now, after what we're going to do now, that was step 1. And I color-coded everything so that you can see like each step that I took. So that was step 1. And then in blue, I'm going to be doing step 2, which is the actual equation. So step 2, what I did was 75.0 grams of C2H2 and Cl4. Wow, this video is going really slow. Mistakes. 75.0 grams of H2, C2, H2, and Cl4. That would equal, well, not equal, but you would times that by, okay, you would times that by the actual, well, you'll put it on top. It will be 1 mole of C2H2 and Cl4. Then on the bottom, you will actually find out the mass in grams for C2H2 and Cl4, which we will see me work out here. And I'm just going to be quiet until I work out it because I'm talking really fast. C2 equals, H2 equals, and Cl4 4 equals. I actually made a mistake on C2. C2 was actually supposed to be 24.02, but I think I accidentally deleted it, and it didn't really change. It didn't change my answer. My outcome answer, but just note that I know it's supposed to be 24.02. So H2 equals 2.02 and Cl4 equals 141.8, and it didn't really, it just, when I did my answer, when I added it all up, you'll see here, give it a couple minutes, seconds, and it'll show. What am I doing? It'll show you here, it's coming up, that my overall answer was 167.82, but it was really supposed to be 167.84, but it didn't really change anything. But the decimal point answer, which when I rounded it, still would have been my outcome answer. So you'll put it, you'll do 1 mole C2 H2Cl4 over 167.82 grams of 6,2H2Cl4. And now for our mole ratio, you will look at the equation itself, and it will be 1 mole of C2H2Cl4 over 2 moles of Cl2. of CO2. So now what you're gonna do now is you're gonna do the mole conversion into grams, and you'll, as you see me doing it now, it's gonna be 1 mole of Cl2 and then it'll be, that will be, what will be on top of it will be 70.9 grams of CO2, because when you do 35.45 times 2, it's going to give you 70.9. Now here you see me adding everything up, and I'm adding everything up now, and like I'm gonna add it up with it, and I'm gonna tell you exactly where it really wouldn't have made a difference, but I know 162 times 2, 1 times 70.9 divided by 1. Okay, I'm gonna let it do it. So my answer was 63.4 grams, but it was really 63.37 when I did this one, but when I added the 24.02, it was 63.36, which would still be 63.4. Thank you.